Hey coders, welcome to this new video. In this video, I will be explaining how to put images in your HTML page. So as you see, we have the simple code as usual. We have the head containing a title, and then we have the body containing an H2 heading. If we want to take a look at the website, it looks basically like that: mind awake, body asleep. So we'll start by using the image tag. And as you see, the image tag has two main attributes: the source attribute and the alternative attribute. Source attribute will give it the source of the image that we have. So we'll start by point slash, which means in this directory we are in. And then I will just grab this photo that I have here, which is Mr. Robot photo. Let's check now what we'll see. And then you'll see Mr. Robot. As you see, it's a huge picture. So the second thing that we want to do before the alternative attribute is the width. So let's give it a width of 300 pixels. Check it out. So now our photo looks smaller. For sure, you have the attribute of height too. And then you can give it a height 300 pixels. As you see, the photo is messed up. We just smashed the aspect ratio. That's why whenever you have a photo, you want to be sure that one of the height or the width is automatic, so the aspect ratio of the photo stays the same. Now the alt attribute is basically an alternative if the photo is for a reason not more on the server. So let me give you an example. Let's start by giving this photo, this image, an alternative. So Mr. Robot. Now as you see, the photo is still there, but if we delete the photo, let's just imagine that the photo is deleted for a reason. I will just delete the photo. If we check now, as you see here, the alternative or the text which is written is Mr. Robot. Now if we change this text, or if we just keep it empty, we'll see that nothing will be written. And that's why you want to write something there just as an alternative if the image doesn't exist for any reason. Now let me get the image back. Let's use a trick here. Because we've learned already the hyperlinks, we can add a link here, and this link could be to the trailer of Mr. Robot. So I'll put the link here, and then I will be putting the image tag inside the A tag. In this case, the image will be the trigger to open this link. Let's try it now. Now as you see, this is how our website looks like. If I click on the image, the trailer of Mr. Robot will open. Keep your mind awake and subscribe my channel to learn more and be a better coder, even if your body is asleep. See you.